In this video, you'll learn how to cancel an eBay shop subscription. This process involves a few straightforward steps within your eBay account, allowing you to manage your subscription effectively. Begin by logging into your eBay account. After entering your credentials, you will be directed to your account homepage. Look for the option labeled Seller Hub, which is typically accessible from the main menu of your account dashboard. Click on Seller Hub to enter this section where all your selling tools and settings are located. Once you are in the Seller Hub, locate the account settings option. This can usually be found in the sidebar or drop-down menu, depending on your layout. Click on Account Settings to proceed to your account management options. After selecting this, you will see various settings related to your eBay account. In the Account Settings menu, find the section labeled Subscriptions. Clicking on this option will take you to a page displaying your current subscriptions and plans. It is important to review this section carefully to ensure you are aware of all your active subscriptions. Next, identify your current store plan within the subscriptions page. Once you've located the specific subscription you wish to cancel, click on the button that says Cancel Subscription. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to verify that you want to proceed with the cancellation. It is crucial to read this prompt to understand the implications of cancelling your subscription. After confirming your cancellation, you should receive a notification indicating that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Keep in mind that depending on your billing cycle, you may still have access to your subscription benefits until the end of the current billing period. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider checking your internet connection, as a slow connection may delay the loading of pages. Additionally, ensure that you have access to the email associated with your eBay account, as important notifications may be sent there. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.